Today we are making an Indian potato cutlet, or commonly known as Begedil. I will also show you how to make an eggplant raita that makes an excellent pairing for the Begedil. These cutlets are incredibly versatile and delicious. They are mainly made up of potatoes, spices and herbs. As usual, the full ingredient list and recipe can be found in the comments down below. Now we can mix up all the ingredients, starting by mashing the potato slices. You can adjust the consistency with more or less corn flour. When the ingredients are reasonably mixed, start making 2-inch cutlets from the mixture. These cutlets can then be pan-fried, shallow-fried or deep-fried. Here, we place the cutlets on the pan and pan-fry for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. It can be served as a delectable snack, as well as a versatile side dish that goes well with curry or raita, which we will show you next. Now let's make the eggplant raita. This refreshing yogurt dish is often served alongside spicy Indian dishes to help soothe the palate. Begin by slicing the eggplant into round disc about 1 centimeter thick. Sprinkle salt on both sides to help remove any excess moisture. Next, whisk the yogurt along with salt until you achieve a smooth paste consistency. In a pan, heat oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the eggplant slices and fry them until golden brown. Now, we can introduce the yogurt mixture to the fried eggplant slices. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, dried chili and curry leaves. This method of frying spices in hot oil and then incorporating them into a dish is a unique technique called tadka. And here's the perfect eggplant raita and Begedil pairing. Full of flavors and perfect for the family. Try it at home and happy cooking.